let's get straight at it, shall we? Joining us now, National Economic Council Director Larry Kudlow. Sir, welcome back to the program. Great to see you again, Larry.
Thank you, Stu. Appreciate it.
You are holding Canada's feet to the fire when the foreign minister arrives today. Hardline Trump on full display, correct?
Well, realistic Trump. I mean, he would, on that point, he would love to make a deal with Canada, a good deal, a deal which is in the interests of the American economy, the American workforce, American farmers, and presumably, as we did in Mexico, a deal that works for both sides. A pro-growth deal, a free trade deal, a get-down-your-tariffs deal, all of which the president believes. So I think he's quite sincere.
Larry, do you have an offer ready to go to Canada's foreign minister today?
I don't want to go into that. I mean, Bob Lighthizer is our lead negotiator. He did a fabulous job with Mexico, in my judgment, along with Jared Kushner. I believe they snatched victory from the jaws of defeat several times. So, no, I'm not going to get into specifics. I'll leave that to Ambassador Lighthizer. But my point is this. The president wants to make a constructive deal that's great for the United States and Canada. But if not, he has said with great clarity, we may be forced to go to automobile tariffs, you know, Canadian auto import tariffs, may be forced to go there. And I think people must take him seriously. He's proven time and time again that in his quiver of weapons on free trade, he will use tariffs if he believes that's necessary. So I'll leave it there. I don't want to prejudge this. I'm glad the Canadians are coming. I'm just saying, keep an open mind. And by the way, Stu, here's another point. Canadians really ought to look at what the U.S. and Mexico just completed as an example of what can be done if there's good faith negotiating and a willingness to compromise in the interests of both parties. That's what negotiation is supposed to be, not just hard line. And they might study that, and that would be very helpful, I think, both to Canada and to the whole process.
The big deal, though, is with China. Are you holding on to the firm Trump line? No retreat. You're waiting for them to blink. Is that the situation?
Well, them to blink, I don't know. Look, President is rock solid, serious. I've said this a million times. He said it a million times. The trading system is broken. China is the center of that broken trading system, whether it's high tariffs or non-tariff barriers or subsidies, whether it's intellectual property theft, whether it's forced transfer of technology, whether it's a lack of ownership. There's a whole bunch of very, very important issues. We've been talking to China for quite some time. I reckon we'll continue. But I'll go back to one of my little thoughts in the last 24 hours. You know, you and I were down here in the 1980s. You remember that? And
yep,
Nancy Reagan. Nancy Reagan was, you know, quite correctly going after drugs. And she used to say, what? Just say no. My point to China, just say yes once in a while.
Yeah.
Show us some progress. Show us some good faith. They never seem to do that. So you can bet that the president is very serious in his discussion of negotiations, including tariffs. He's not going to back off on that. The stakes are very high here. The system is broken. And everybody in the world, everybody, Stu, I mean, we're negotiating with the EU and Mexico, and everybody knows that China simply has to change with substantial trading reforms. They are a culprit here. Let's get going, China. Just say yes once in a while.